Hey everyone, I'm back and I'm trying out a new paint. Well, not sure it's new, but it's definitely new to me because I've never used them before. It's called Dragonfly Glaze. It's a folk art paint. It's a top coat glaze color shift paint with lots of sparkle. I've heard a lot of things about them in the past, but today I'm going to try them out for the first time. And you get to watch. Let's go, guys. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm Miss Nene, and welcome to Miss Nene's Art. Today I am experimenting again on a 16 by 20 inch canvas with a black background. So if you've watched my videos before, especially the one that I just posted a few days ago, where I used the Deco Art Enchanted and Shimmer paints. You know that these paints, as you can see in the bottle, they're like a cream color on the inside, but once they hit a black background and once they start to dry, they start to turn to these beautiful colors. Well, I have discovered some more paints that do the same thing. I can only find two. There's other colors, but it's called Dragonfly Glaze. And this is a color shift paint with a lot of sparkle. It's called Color Changing Top Coat Acrylic Gloss Finish. This is a shift from gold, red to violet. And this is a color shift from red, violet to blue. So I have never used these Dragonfly Glaze. I've seen them in the store, but I've never got them. So something just told me to just give it a try. And I wish I would have been able to find more colors. So I'm going to try these colors with Master's Touch Gold. I had to put a third color in there. I thought gold would be good since this one has supposedly a gold shift in it with the red and violet. So I love experiments, so I'm really looking forward to seeing how these turn out. And as you can see, they're a creamy color too, much like the Deco Art. And this, if I didn't say, it's a folk art paint. So this Dragonfly Glaze, I'm going to do a Dutch pour. And we're going to see how it turns out. So let's get started. Look at that shine. I hope you can see this sparkle. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Look at that. That is so stunning. Ooh, I love this part right here. So all these creamy little white areas are going to change to the color. And like the other paints, like the DecoArt Enchanted paints, but this Dragonfly paint is supposed to have a color shift. It's supposed to shift to 3 different colors. So we will see when it dries. But it has a lot of sparkle. This is beautiful. And that gold, perfect. Look at that. Oh my God. Okay, so I took this painting outside. It is fully dry. I have to say, you can see the violet, you can see the blue, and you can see the gold. But I don't know if it's the gold that I added or the gold that's in this color shift and the dragonfly glaze. But look at that. That really works. I don't see any red though. And it's supposed to shift from red, violet, blue, and gold, red, violet. So, but I don't see red. I definitely see the blue shift and the violet and maybe the gold. So I went on ahead and used the rest of the paint that I had on a small 8x8 canvas with the black background to see if I can detect the red and the gold by itself. But this paint is amazing. All I did was add a little bit of water and a little bit of glue all, just to thin it out a little bit, and poured it directly onto the canvas, as you saw. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that color shift. That's insane. Okay, so here is the other little painting using just the glaze paint on a black background. And see that? You can see the gold. You can see the gold. That is amazing. And the violet and the beautiful blue, but I still don't see any red. Let me know what you think about these paints, how they turned out. Yeah, leave me a comment. I love to read your feedback on it. And thank you so much for joining me today and watching my video. I really appreciate you and I appreciate your time. Until next time, stay safe and I'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.